What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you another red hot KDP niche. So welcome back to Stacking Profit. My name's Paddy and over here we give you the tools and resources to learn, grow and master passive income streams so that you can live a life of freedom. Now this video is actually part of a playlist that I have been putting together, and if you want to check out the rest of the videos you can click right there in the right hand corner. Now let's go straight over to Amazon and take a look at this niche. So this niche is in the colouring book niche, and it is sloth colouring book for kids ages 8 to 12. Now what we're going to do is take a look at all, we're going to take a look at books, and then nearer the end of the video I'm going to share with you where you can get some graphics to create this book. Now let's actually break down this niche and take a look. So from the SPT Chrome extension, they're giving us a score of 64% and above, and if we look on this little question mark we can see that they actually a score of 63%. No, I think I've said that wrong. So with SPT they recommend a score of anything of 63% and above. Now if we click on here it's not going to show. There we go. Just give it a second. As we can see, 63% and above is a really great niche. Now if we look here, they're giving us a score of 64%. So this looks like a really great niche. Now if we look at number of results, there's 765, which we can see that just here, and look at the average BSR, 13,864. So this is a really great niche. Now if you want more colouring book niches, then come check out the LCB Vault. We have a brand new course in here now called Simple Colouring Books, and recently I've added over 100+ niches for everyone here within the vault. So if you're interested, click that link down below and come and check us out. So now we've looked on all, let's actually take a look on books and see what that score is as well. So I've already pulled that up. Books, sloth colouring book for kids ages 8 to 12, and we can see 60%. So this is an amazing niche. And then if we look here, there's only 638 results with an average BSR of 55,000. Now if we take a look down here, let's go past the sponsored colouring books for kids. So this isn't actually a sloth colouring book, just an animals. We can see that BSR of under 2,000. Then if we go down, we can see on this first page that the first 3 books are not even related to sloths. It's mainly just drawing. So the big book of silly jokes, this is a joke book. So for that to be on the first page for sloths tells me there's not actually that many sloth colouring books. So number 4, there's this one. This is an actual sloth colouring book ranked at 41,000 in the whole bookstore. Then if we go past that, this is a unicorn, another sloth with a rank of around 17,000. Sudoku book. So that shouldn't be on here on the first page. So this is telling me that there's a lot of room to make sales with a sloth colouring book, because the majority of the books on this first page are not actually sloths. So again, this book is, or this niche is, sloth colouring book for kids ages 8 to 12. So come through, take a look and see what you think. Now, where can you get graphics? Well, the usual place. That is Creative Fabrica. So what I've gone and done is just typed in sloth colouring pages. Then I've clicked enter, and then this is what I've got. So there's a lot of cool stuff over here on Creative Fabrica which you can use. There's a few sloth colouring pages there as well, but what I recommend to do, which you're going to see in a minute, or which I'm going to share with you in a minute, is to find clip art like this and then use that in your colouring pages to make unique colouring pages. Now if we take a look through here, we can see there's not really that many for the whole colouring page. We have just one here and the rest is actually clip art. So let's go over to here, a different tab that I have open. I've typed in sloth clip art and then we have all of this to choose from. So now we have a lot more options to actually go ahead and create a sloth colouring book. Now remember, if you're going to go this route and actually create the interior yourself just by using clip art, then we need the SVG or the EPS file. This means that we can actually modify them and create the colouring pages ourselves. So we'd open up a file. This one would be okay, I think. So let's take a look at this. We can see that they supply the SVG and the EPS file just here, as we can see. So this is what we would want. And then we could download this and then use something like Gravit Designer completely for free to modify this into a colouring page. Now over the next couple of weeks I do have a video coming out showing you exactly how to do that, so please watch out for that video if you're interested. But that's what I would do. I would go through these, trying to find all the SVGs and the EPS files so that I can modify them. So this one would actually be perfect for a Christmas sloth colouring book. It is a little bit late now to do anything Christmassy because you do need a good couple of months to get indexed by Amazon. But if we go down to here, we can see what they supply. So this supplies PNG file with a transparent background. So this one wouldn't actually be that good. But that's what I would do. I would come through to Creative Fabrica, look through all this sloth clip art and then modify them for my books. Again, I do have a video coming out very soon showing you exactly what you need to do to turn these graphics into a colouring page. So please keep an eye out for that. So that was it. Sloth colouring book for kids ages 8 to 12. We can see this is a really good niche. So if you're interested, go through, check it out and start creating those books. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.